What's up, YouTube? It's Dino West and back here with a present for y'all. I got another unboxing. Yeah, I'm getting close to them. I got a few left that I gotta get to. But hey, let's just get straight to the video. Hope y'all having a good day. Let me get this unbox for y'all real quick. I need to be more careful when I do that. I actually done that before where I'm opening the box and I cut the box a little bit. Let's see what I got. Oh yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want me to continue doing these unboxings, or do y'all just is that even something y'all like still? Cause I was thinking about in the video you already used to already have it revealed, but through these videos y'all getting that initial response with me. So it's up to y'all. Let me know if that's something y'all want to continue, or y'all just want to get right to the shoe without the unboxing. That's up to y'all. Let me know. Get into the comment section. Hope y'all having a good weekend. Just starting for me. Alright, open it up so a box with teams, sports team on it. Let's get this out. I already got a sneak peek of it. Alright. Alright, that box over there. Interesting. Wasn't expecting these at all. I'm not sure exactly what these are. I'll get in the comment section if you know what these are. Alright, I'm gonna get both of them out. Alright. Now I know. Now I remember. Alright. Oh, these are not sports team. These are just Nike brands. I'm tripping. NYC Athletic West. I'm not sure what these are. Just do it. Yeah, I don't know what these are. Basketball teams. Okay. I'm tripping. Y'all don't clown me for that. Alright. What the box say? Nike Sportswear. 10.5 Air Zoom Turf. Jet 97 QS. Okay. This might be some old school hitters. Let me see. Suggest retail 140. Black and yellow stripe. Alright. Let's see the production date on here to make sure. Alright, these came out 2012. Alright. Alright. These are some Zoom turfs, some Air Zoom turfs. Jet 97. Quick stripe. Alright, let's start off from the front. It has a strap along the front with the Nike branding on there. There's a yellow Nike branding, almost look like a gold. Right above the shoebox, there's a yellow O up here on the tongue. I'm not really sure what that is. Okay, on the sole of the shoe, let me just show y'all the sole of the shoe. Let me know if y'all want me to take the soles out of the shoes. If it's something y'all really into. Alright. Like I said, 9.5. Has this goldish like squiggly line right here. It says Zoom Air. Yellow strike at the bottom. The bottoms are pretty clean. They're look pretty much dead stock. Oh yeah, by the way, I got these from. It was a mystery shoe. mystery box mystery shoe from Shoes. I'll let y'all know that I think it was Shoe Stills or Soul Stills that I got it from. Yeah, Soul Stills. I always try to get that box, but I'm never able to get my order out. They sell out pretty fast for those hype box. I'm interested in doing the hype box for y'all as well. But these are actually clean. You know, I don't know if it's something that I would buy on my own. There's a yellow stripes right here on the inner side of the shoe. Another Nike branding right here. Another Nike branding on the back with that yellow. Okay. Man, tell me what y'all think of these. The more of them in hand, I'm actually liking them. I actually like the design alone. The body, they look pretty. They look pretty nice. I like this material that they have right here. I think these are one of the shoes that you gotta have in hand to actually appreciate. Yeah, I'm really feeling the bottom. I like this little gold squiggly line right here off the side. The shoe strap I like that. Yeah, man, this is clean. This is definitely clean. Like I said, I got this. I think it was $50. So, you know, it's definitely a come up. Same thing on the side, not too much different. I'll get a good view of these shoes. Like I said, these is Nike Air Zoom Turfs Jet 97 QS. Quick strikes. On the rear. Back to that side. Alright. That yellow. Really shining. I think the camera getting that shine too. Got to show y'all that bottom. Clear bottom. This gummy like icy gummy like sole at the bottom. It's not that color though. It's like a clear. Camera's picking up black right here on the inner part, and this is I don't know what this material is, but it's real firm. Maybe some plastic. Yeah, man, I like these. Tell me what y'all think about these Nike Air Zoom Turfs. I like these. I don't know if these are related to the ones the 49er turf. Those are the ones I need to pick up. But yes, I got this from Soul Stills. It was a mystery box. I did not know what I was going to get, so this is definitely an unboxing that we both got surprised at. Actually, I feel like I got a good deal on these. Probably something I wouldn't went in the store and picked up, but now that I got them in hand, I definitely can see me getting some wear out of these. Shout out to Soul Stills for this one. This is a steal. This is definitely a steal right here. Yeah, if y'all like this content, then I'll bring y'all what I'm doing for y'all on this video. Give me a like, hit that like button, smash that like button if you like this heat. Then I'll bring it to y'all. Get in the comment section, open up discussion. Tell me what you think. Do you think these are rock or drop? Tell me what y'all think about these. I think they hot. I'm gonna be honest with you. Is they hot or not? Really? Let me know. Yeah, I definitely appreciate that gold. It's just shining off. It's just shining off the light. I like that. Got like kind of like the ashy look, but I don't think it's that bad in person. If you look at it, the camera's giving it ashy look. See a little bit, but I don't think it's as bad as it's picking up in camera. And yeah, open up this conversation. Share this video with your friends or refer them to this channel. Let's try to build this channel up. Tell me what you. Let's build this channel up. So come out here, subscribe. Let me know what I could continue to do, stop doing. Yeah, I would like to really get dialogue on with y'all. I haven't really got anything yet. No views, no subscribes. But I'm staying consistent for y'all. stay as consistent as possible for y'all. Keep giving y'all this heat. The camera's picking that up. Zoom air right there on the side. Alright guys. Like the video, smash that button, pound that button in, comment, let's go back and forth. We want the full experience, This is the shoe community. We need to have conversations like this. Tell me what you think about my video. Tell me what I could do better. Subscribe, like, subscribe, refer, share. Definitely share and comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can constantly get these heats that I'm bringing up. If it's gonna be constant material. That's something I'm definitely gonna keep keep y'all update with. All right, y'all. Like, subscribe, get at me. All right. All right, y'all have a good weekend. Expect more content from me. All right. Wes. Peace.